In this tutorial, we will show you how to sign up and start driving with Fair Co-op in a few simple steps. Upload or take a photo of yourself. Make sure to allow access to your camera or photos. Click to allow notifications. Upload your insurance and license. Upload your commercial insurance, if you have it. Add your vehicle by sliding up from the bottom. Add your vehicle information including any additional features, and click Done. Add a photo of your license plate. Add your vehicle inspection, including the expiry date, which is 1 year from the inspection date. Click Done. Click the Set Up My Banking button and proceed to connect your bank account. You will now create an account with Stripe. Click Use your phone to set up your two-step authentication. Enter your phone number to send a verification code confirming your phone number. Click Next. Select your business type, individual or a corporation, and click Continue. Add your personal information, including the last 4 digits of your Social Security. Click Enter bank details manually instead. Enter your bank account information and complete the verification. Select your payout schedule. We recommend the automatic daily option to get paid every day. Click No Thanks. Click Not Right Now. Agree and submit. Once your Stripe account has been approved, click the button to complete your background check. Fill out your information. Make sure that your password follows the exact requirements and that both passwords match. For the verification code, make sure to enter only lowercase letters. Once your background check has cleared, we will approve your account and you'll be able to go online.